Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Welcome back to One Love's Kitchen. And for all my new subscribers out there, welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for joining with the fam. Today I'm making traditional curry goat. Real curry goat. Yeah. And if you all know me, you know goat meat is my favorite meat. I like the goat belly soup. I like the curry. I like everything from the goat. So I've already washed and cleaned my goat. And I'm going to use my everyday seasoning. Remember, use whatever seasoning you use to season whatever meat you have. I'm using my everyday season to season up this baby. And I'm telling you, we're going to lay it down. We're going to season this baby properly. Because nothing I hate more is anticipating to get some good curry goat and then it's flavorless or it's overcooked or something is wrong. So no, we're going to season this baby properly right now. And I didn't crush my garlic or ginger. I grated this because I want this to be all over on my meat. So I make sure to grate them because I want every bite to be tasting of ginger and garlic. I had a 2 scotch bonnet pepper to that, some thyme and some scallion, and I'm gonna rub that in. And I think I left this in the refrigerator for 2 days before I cook this. I'll be using some better pack curry for this one. I'm gonna add some to the meat, and when I'll be cooking it, I'll be burning some. And also we're going in with some pimento grains. We're gonna rub this baby up. We're gonna season this baby thoroughly because I don't play with goat meat. I don't do that. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm going in with some oil now just to mix that up. So I use less when I'm cooking my goat, of course. And we're just gonna mix this baby up properly. Make sure you season. Make sure you put all your strength in the goat when you're seasoning. Just rub it up, mix it up. Make sure everything mix up, mix it up. Just mix it up. Yeah, because the goat meat must well season. We're not play them game there around here. Well seasoned. We're gonna season up the goat meat properly. Yeah, just look at that. You know it's gonna taste good, right? Yeah, you want some, right? And all of you know there's a secret. There's a secret to this goat. And if you're a traditional goat eater or you're a goat lover or you've been there traditionally when they're cooking goat, you know the secret to this. So yeah, I'm gonna tell you the secret to take your goat up a notch. You know what I'm saying? So yes, this is well seasoned. It's finished. It's done. As mentioned, I left this in the refrigerator for a couple of days. So we're just going to cover this up, place it, and get it ready for cooking in a couple of days. And guys, I forgot to put my natural seasoning in it. How could I ever do that? You know you can't do this thing without your natural seasoning, because your natural seasoning has everything. So I went ahead and I added the seasoning. So we're going to put this up in the refrigerator. It's cooking day. It's cooking day. It's cooking day. Yes. I have my pot with some oil. I didn't use much oil because I don't want it oily. And remember, I used some oil to season it ahead of time. And we're going to go in with some curry. We're going to burn some curry. Yes. That being said, remember to always take out your meat if it's in the refrigerator ahead of time. You don't want to just take it out of the refrigerator and then put it in the pot like that. You just want to take it out ahead of time to just let it thaw out and just back to normal temperature before you start cooking, right? So there's my curry. It's getting there. You know it's burned when it's like this dark and the top is like foamy. Yeah. So you can see that it has this little foam on the top and the curry is like burnt. It's dark. You see right there? Yeah, it's tell you the pot is ready for the goat. So now we're gonna go in with this goat and we're gonna pour this in. I can't wait to have this curry goat. You don't even know. I just can't wait. So we're gonna pour that in. Stir that around because we don't want nothing sticking at the bottom. We want everything mixed in. Yeah, we want it all mixed in, nothing sticking. So we're just gonna mix it around and just wait a minute. You remember the secret I told you? Yeah, you remember, right? Okay, I'm gonna tell you what it is now. some white rum. We all know that when you're cooking goat meat, it's traditional for you to put some white rum into that. And even for the goat belly soup, or the manish water as you call it, when we're cooking manish water, we have to put a red stripe beer in it, because it's gonna take the flavor to another level. So if you're not putting no white rum in your curry mutton, in your curry goat, or you're not putting no red stripe beer in your goat belly soup, it not gonna sell off. It not sell off. It not sell off. So we're gonna cover this up. We're gonna just let this simmer for a while. We don't want it to burn. We're gonna cover it up, and then we'll, get back. Because as you can see, I'm gonna mix it around now. Yeah, because it's been there like for a few minutes. So I don't want to burn it. So we're just gonna mix it around, and then we're just gonna add some water to that. Yeah. So, the bowl where you season it up in, yeah, that same one. We're just going to pour some boiling water, because I'm using boiling water because I don't want to drop the cooking process. So we're just going to add the boiling water to this. Just let this simmer up. Cover this and let this cook. You understand what I'm saying? Just cover it up. Let it sit there and cook properly. And the thing is, every time the water reduces, you'll be adding more water to this. Just look at that. It's bubbling away. So we're just gonna mix this around, monitor it. Every time the water reduces, you add more. Don't overcook your goat meat. Don't do that. We're not making soup over here. Don't overcook your goat meat. So monitor it, mix it around, keep it cooking. Once the water reduces, just add more water to that. Just look at the gravy already. That's forming. And it's like 30 minutes in. You don't want to have it too thick, and you don't want to have it too thin. You want to have it at the right consistency. Yes, real goat gravy. You can see it coming. You can see it. So yes, guys, we're going to cover this and check back in a few. Look at that already. So yes, it's cooking. It's getting there. It's getting there. Our meat is getting there. Yes. So now we're going to take a look at what's going on. So as you can see, the water is being reduced. You see that, right? Yeah. But I didn't wait for it to fully dry off of the pot, because we don't want to start burning our meat and, lose all that good flavor. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. So we're going to add some more water to this. Cover it up, but wait a minute. Just look at that gravy. Just look at that gravy already, and it's not done. You see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying, right? Oh my God. My God. So we're just gonna mix this around. We're gonna add some more water to this, and remember, use warm water or boiling water. So we're just gonna add some more water to this, cover this up, and let this cook. And I'm gonna continue to repeat this process until our meat is tender. That being said, I'm gonna go ahead and prepare some veggies. A lot of people, especially if you're cooking for a large group and it's goat meat, you don't want to put like vegetables in it, honestly, because it's just gonna take away everything. So since its own purpose, I'm just gonna add like an Irish potato, a carrot, a piece of thyme, and that's just it. You don't want to overcrowd your goat. And as you can see, of course, I have my rice on the side, because say the goat meat not finish until you have a bowl of rice with it. You understand? So my rice is right there, and I'm just gonna put in my Irish potatoes, my carrot, and some thyme. And oh guys, I got this thyme from my garden. Yes, my thyme is originally coming from my garden. Yeah. So we're gonna mix this around. Look at that. Wait, I have to show you something. Just take a look at that. Just take a look at what's going on here. You see what I'm saying? Tell me you don't see what I'm saying. Wait, I'm gonna show you something else. Just take a look at this. It's very tender. It's not overcooked. It's not mashing up in the pot. It's well tender. Just look at that. Just look at that. Come on now. We're gonna pour a little bit more water into this, because with goat meat, you have to have a lot of gravy. Don't ever be short on gravy for goat meat. You understand? So we're going to pour a little bit more water into this, and we're going to turn this to medium to low and just let this simmer until our veggies are cooked through. The Irish potato and the carrots are cooked through. You understand what I'm saying? You get the drift of what I'm saying? Yes. And in the meantime, guys, don't forget to like, share, comment, hit the notification bell, that every time I upload a video, you'll get notified. And we're still on the run for our 500 subscribers for our Amazon giveaway. And I'm planning also to do a giveaway for Father's Day. So all the fathers, we're going to try to do a giveaway for you. That's different from the 500 subscribers giveaway. But yeah, because you know it's Father's Day coming up, we have to think about the daddies as well. Because you know some of these fathers out there, they're there. Trust me, they're into it 150%, even more than the moms are. But you know those fathers, we have to give, like, yeah, hats off for those fathers. So those fathers, we're gonna have to take care of them for Father's Day. So yes, guys, our food is basically done. We're gonna dish this out, enjoy it, and I hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to leave a comment and a like. Until next time, have a blessed one.